Right guys, I'm back again. I'm just about to show you that I can take police handcuffs off. Doesn't matter what way the keyhole is. Now look at this. Now this. Just look. Yeah? Look on here. Look. All I have is just that. No key. No key whatsoever. Just that. Yeah? Right, all you do, put that inside the little hole. It's not a keyhole. Look. No keyhole. Look. It's just a little hole for the key on the other side. You twist. Right. There's the keyhole. That's the keyhole. The other side. So, I'm going to show you how to get out of these. Like that. Like that. Just for a little tiny hole, as you can see. Now, same goes to this side. It's just there. It's just there, literally. There, look. Boom. And there's your handcuffs. There's the keyhole. There's the keyhole right there. Right. There's the keyhole. And this is the hole that I went through to unlock them. That is all you do. So it doesn't matter what way they put them, you can still get them off. Just a quick video for you, just to keep me updated. Enjoy this video, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.